In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a special offer on Airbnb. To get started, open Airbnb and sign in to your host account. Make sure you're using the account connected to the listing and guest conversation where the special offer was sent. Once you're logged in, head over to your messages section. This is where Airbnb stores your conversations with guests, including booking inquiries and any offers you've created. Next, open the conversation with the guest who received the special offer. Inside that message thread, look through the conversation until you find the special offer you previously sent. It's important to locate the exact offer so you can confirm you're working with the correct booking request and not another inquiry. Once you find it, check whether the special offer is still pending. This matters because a pending offer may still be removable, while an offer that has already been accepted usually can't be withdrawn in the same way. Take a moment to verify the current status before moving forward. If the offer is still pending, look for an option to withdraw or cancel the special offer. The wording can vary slightly depending on the version of Airbnb you're using, but you're looking for the control that lets you remove that active offer from the conversation. If you see that option, select it and then confirm the cancellation when prompted. This final confirmation is what removes the pending special offer from the guest thread. If you don't see a withdrawal option, don't worry. In some cases, Airbnb may not allow manual removal after the offer has been sent. If that happens, you may need to wait for the offer to expire automatically. If necessary, you can also send the guest a new offer with the updated pricing or booking details instead. After that, message the guest and clearly explain any changes. This is a good way to avoid confusion, especially if pricing, dates, or booking terms have been updated. Keep your message polite and direct, so the guest understands what changed and what they should expect next. Before you finish, review the conversation to make sure the correct offer is now active, or that the old one is no longer available. This quick check helps prevent accidental booking issues. Finally, keep an eye on your inbox for the guest response or any reservation updates. Monitoring the conversation ensures you can respond quickly if the guest has questions or if a new action is needed, and that's how to remove a special offer on Airbnb.